India, the largest democracy in the world, with the highest population of youth in a single country. Upon the shoulders of these young men and women lies the destiny of India.
In the year 2005, when we started the first school in the country to develop the future politicians, MIT School of Government, what way this school can contribute, and we are talking about making change and educated youth must come in politics. That was our motto in the year 2005. Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad is a platform which is like a breeding ground for the future politicians of India.
We can be lovable girlfriends and boyfriends. We can be outstanding general secretaries of our colleges. Then why not a responsible, willing and a politics-friendly citizen of this nation?
ना जाने कितनी दामिनी जैसी लड़कियां दोबारा बलि चढ़ती रहेंगी.
We have to take the concept of this very student parliament to every state, every college, every university, every school and every panchayat.
This is the change which is required. This is the change which is going to change the way politics is in this country.
This democracy in India can deliver a lot.
Great honor to be here speaking at this Indian Students' Parliament.
I salute you because you are going to be the builder of this great nation.
So I would urge all the youth out there to start thinking in constructive terms. How do we change society and make it a better place? And maybe the best place to start is to change ourselves.
ये बहुत आसान होता है कि दूसरे के बारे में क्रिटिसाइज करना, ये गलत है, वो खराब है. अगर गलत और खराब है तो आप उसको सुधारते क्यों नहीं?
यहाँ आकर के मुझे जो जोश, जो उमंग आप लोगों में देखने को मिला, मेरा ये भरोसा बढ़ गया कि इस देश का भविष्य बहुत उज्जवल है.
Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad is an open classroom of over 10,000 student leaders who learn from eminent personalities from different fields, who guide them on how they can participate in nation building.
Work with integrity and succeed with integrity.
काश हमारे पार्लियामेंट भी दिमाग की बात छोड़ के दिल की बात ऐसे करने लग जाए. देश और 20 साल के बाद नहीं, कल सुपर पावर बन जाएगा. ये देश तुम्हारा अपना है, इसका ओनरशिप आज लेना पड़ेगा तुम्हें.
We should use our intelligence, our common sense, and with sense of responsibility.
The answer lies in recognizing the power that we have.
Dear students, I am delighted to address young people and students on the occasion of Indian Student Parliament.
Youth is the one who is going to be the future tomorrow, and for the country's prosperity and development, it is necessary that we also work in politics.
I am very honored and I'm very pleased to have this opportunity to talk to India's up-and-coming leaders.
Today, youth are the solution to these challenges. We need you to act as a global citizens.
We welcome your efforts to train and encourage active participation in democratic processes.
With great admiration, I'm very impressed by the way the whole thing has been organized to bring the young people of India together.
We have much in common, and we in the UK have much to learn from you as student leaders in India, where the Indian Student Parliament represents an incredibly exciting movement for change.
For 3 days, the students are exposed to enriching life-sharing experiences.
आप अपनी शक्ति को पहचानिए,
which is what we call giving a voice to the voiceless.
The type of discipline I'm seeing amongst you is really praiseworthy. Keep your religion into the four walls of your house. When you come out, you are citizen of this country.
You have to accept the good things of media and you also have to try and resist the bad things.
समर्पण की भावना अगर नहीं है आप में तो राजनीति में मत आइए.
The young people of India
are showing us that they do not lack in enthusiasm, idealism, sacrifice, passion, fervor, and a deep commitment to the future of the country.
I see in all of you future leaders of India who can become chief ministers, who can become central ministers, who can become members of parliament.
We can! We can!
हर क्षेत्र में प्रशिक्षण बहुत जरूरी है.
So we will and we must save the planet. You young people here gathered in this extraordinary assembly, say it. Yes, we can. Come on. We can.
This experiment of holding student parliament is unique in nature. It is not an ordinary experiment. It's a cause for national unity.
Every one of you can join this politics and build a new India.
There is no force on earth mightier than an idea whose time has come.
जिनमें सोच है, हिम्मत है, आगे बढ़ने की और सही रास्ता पकड़ने की.
जिस मकसद के लिए आप इकट्ठे हैं, ये बिल्कुल एक रेवोल्यूशन है.
Perhaps students in one forum like this from every part of the country, I commend each one of you for taking your time.
सब कुछ होगा. जरूरत है तो उस मंशे की, इंटेंशन की. India needs such platforms which enables these people to come together, transcending political barriers, ideological barriers, and have a dialogue.
It is said that politics without principles, business without ethics, and education without aim is like a country without its youth.
We, the student leaders of India, pledge to participate in constructive political process.
उसी में मिला दे मैं जुदा हो नहीं सकता, अब इससे ज्यादा मैं तेरा हो नहीं सकता. बस तू मेरी आवाज से आवाज मिला दे, फिर देख के इस देश में क्या हो नहीं सकता.